Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. In this video, we are going to learn negation in French. So let's get started. Negation means making sentences negative. For example, je mange is a positive sentence. Je ne mange pas is a negative sentence. In this video, you will learn ne pas, which means not, ne jamais, which means never, and ne rien, which means nothing. Let's start with the most common one, ne pas. This means not. Think of it like a sandwich. The verb is between ne and pas. Here are some examples. Je mange is a positive sentence. Je ne mange pas is a negative sentence. The verb mange is between ne and pas. In the second example, elle parle is a positive sentence. Elle ne parle pas is a negative sentence in which the verb parle is between ne and pas. Similarly, for the third example, the verb is in between. Just remember, if the verb starts with a vowel, ne becomes n. For example, je aime is a positive sentence. The negative sentence is je n'aime pas. With être, the positive sentence is il est heureux. The negative sentence is il n'est pas heureux. Ne jamais is used when you want to say never. The structure for ne jamais is ne plus the verb plus jamais. Here are some examples. Je mange is a positive sentence. Je ne mange jamais is a negative sentence. Mange is the verb and is in between ne and jamais. In the second example, elle regarde la télé is positive. Elle ne regarde jamais la télé is a negative sentence in which regarde, the verb, is in between ne and jamais. Similarly, for the third example, the verb is in between. Just remember, jamais replaces pas. Don't say ne mange pas jamais. Always say ne mange jamais. Ne rien is used to say nothing. The structure for ne rien is ne plus the verb plus rien. Here are the examples. In the first example, je mange is the positive sentence. Je ne mange rien is the negative sentence. The verb mange is in between ne and rien. In the second example, il voit quelque chose is positive. Il ne voit rien is a negative sentence in which the verb voir is in between ne and rien. Similarly, in the third example, the verb is in between. Always remember, rien replaces pas. Ne mange pas rien is wrong. Always say ne mange rien. Here are some more examples for ne pas. Je ne mange pas.
I do not eat.
Elle ne parle pas anglais.
She does not speak English.
Nous n'aimons pas le chocolat.
We do not like chocolate.
Il ne regarde pas la télé.
He does not watch TV.
Tu ne finis pas ton travail.
You do not finish your work.
Here are some more examples for ne jamais. Je ne mange jamais pizza.
I never eat pizza.
Elle ne va jamais au marché.
She never goes to the market.
Nous ne regardons jamais la télé.
We never watch TV.
Il ne parle jamais en classe.
He never speaks in class.
Tu n'écoutes jamais le professeur.
You never listen to the teacher.
Here are some more examples for ne rien. Je ne mange rien.
I eat nothing.
Il ne voit rien.
He sees nothing.
Nous ne faisons rien.
We do nothing.
Elle n'achète rien.
She buys nothing.
Tu ne dis rien.
You say nothing.
Now it's your turn. Let's practice together. You have to make negative sentences using ne pas. So let's get started. Je parle français. Make the negative sentence. And the negative sentence is Je ne parle pas français. Elle danse. Make the negative sentence. And the negative sentence is Elle ne danse pas. Nous aimons le chocolat. And the negative sentence is Nous n'aimons pas le chocolat. Il regarde la télé. Make the negative sentence. And the negative sentence is Il ne regarde pas la télé. Tu finis ton travail. Make the negative sentence. And the negative sentence is tu ne finis pas ton travail. Make negative sentences using jamais. Let's get started. Je mange pizza. And the negative sentence is je ne mange jamais pizza. Elle va au marché. Form the negative sentence. And the negative sentence is elle ne va jamais au marché. Nous regardons la télé. Make the negative sentence. And the negative sentence is nous ne regardons jamais la télé. Make negative sentences using rien. Je mange. And the negative sentence is je ne mange rien. Il voit. Form the negative sentence. And the negative sentence is il ne voit rien. Nous faisons. Form the negative sentence. And the negative sentence is nous ne faisons rien. This is the next practice exercise. Let's test what you have learned. You have to translate the sentences into French.
I do not understand.
The sentence in French is je ne comprends pas.
I never speak French.
And the answer is Je ne parle jamais français.
I see nothing.
And the answer is Je ne vois rien. Merci, please like and subscribe to my channel and share my videos. Au revoir, bye.